We are facing a global climate crisis, and the need for net zero construction has never been greater. With 11% of global carbon emissions originating from construction materials, it is clear that a circular economy is essential to a low-carbon future. One of the most effective ways of reducing carbon emissions is to prolong the life of materials by reusing them for as long as possible. But currently, prolonging the life of assets and reusing their constituent materials is a costly and uncertain process, requiring lengthy surveys, audits, and testing to determine whether reuse is even technically feasible, never mind financially viable. Madaster is here to solve this problem. In our platform, all the information necessary for material reuse is recorded, including what materials and products are where, who made them, their specification and warranties, and even their disassembly instructions and details of their take-back schemes. We capture this information efficiently when it's most readily available by integrating with existing design and construction processes such as BIM. We then store this information securely, ensuring it can be easily referred to at any point in the asset's life to quickly inform maintenance or replacement decisions, optimizing resource management and conserving carbon. In addition to protecting the future value of assets, the Madaster platform also provides a range of insights that guide design and construction decisions and respond to increasing sustainability reporting requirements being set by regulators, customers, and investors. We are already helping over 600 organisations across Europe streamline the collation and management of their material data, ensuring they have a robust and transparent source of information, both now and in the future. And we are building our presence in the UK with developers such as Greencore Homes and British Land, contractors like Morgan Sindall Group, and consultants like Drays & Summer. For us, this is just the start. Our vision is to create a register of all assets, unlocking reuse across the whole industry. With enough data, we can start to predict what materials are going to become available and plan for this in advance, whether through direct reuse in another project, via marketplaces, or back to the original producers for remanufacturing and closed-loop recycling. Data is the engine of a circular economy, so get in touch with Madaster to start managing your material data today.